In this video, we'll demonstrate loading Seaside into a GemStone repository. I'm going to select GemStone from the activity bar, install a Rowan 3 extent, and then start the database, start NetLDI, and log into the database using the logins and sessions. You can see that our pre-built extent includes several loaded projects already. Next, we'll go to GitHub and get the URL for a couple different projects. I'm going to clone the first project. This will download it from GitHub and place it in the file system. I'll then clone the second project, and it will download it from GitHub and place it in the file system. You can see we have two local repositories, and when I use the File Explorer, I can see that those projects are now present, one of which has a README that explains how it can be used. Going back to GemStone, we can then load from the file system into the repository. So this load Seaside performs a load of the project from the file system, and once we've loaded both, we can see that under loaded projects there's entries. I can now open the system browser and search for the Hello World Seaside application, which includes a render content on method. I can use a GemStone command to start Seaside server. We'll find the Hello World page on a web browser.